Hey everybody, welcome to our GPS video. Sorry guys, facing a problem. We're not able to get an SMS code, or like your SMS code is not being sent from your GP to your, SIM card. Then you guys are at the right video, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your GPS SMS not sending to Android. Now before I show you the way and how the guys can fix this problem, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech It Simple, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comments. Now let's get into the video. But before getting into the problem, for those people who do not know, GPay is a mobile payment app, which was developed by Google, which you can use to pay for different stuff, which is similar to PayPal and Cash App. Alright. Now let's say you're trying to send SMS to your mobile number and it's not sending. The first reason could be if your internet connection is slow, which is not allowing GP to, send that SMS. And the other thing could be if your SIM card is not picking up any network. So make sure you're in a place where there's plenty of network. So like your, SIM card can send that SMS, or your Google Pay can send that SMS to your SIM card. So you can get that code. And the other thing could be if you guys are in a country where GPay is bad. So if you guys try to send SMS to your phone number, and that phone number belongs to a country where GPay is not a high level, then it's not going to send any SMS. And it's basically the problem, you need to be in a country where GPay is available. So you got to look up if your country is available in GP or not, because GP is not available in our country. So gotta be careful about that. And the other thing is, you need to have at least sufficient balance for GP to send SMS to your SIM card. Because if you have zero balance on your SIM card, it's not going to work. So make sure you have at least that amount of money, which could be used to send SMS. Alright, don't make like your SIM card has $0. You need to have sufficient amount of money in your SIM card in order to send SMS, right? Because GPS is going to use their SIM card in order to send the SMS. Alright? And the other step to fix this problem is just delete your GP and reinstall it again and try to send the code, and it should send the code. And sometimes basically, if GPS is under maintenance, or your SIM card company is under maintenance, then you guys are not going to receive the code, right? So make sure to check if they're under maintenance, because if GPS is under maintenance, they're not going to send the code, and if your SIM card company is under maintenance, then they're not going to receive the code, right? So you got to make sure if they're not on, maintenance break, and if they're not under maintenance break, and as I've told you, if you try the method, which I just said in this video, is to fix a problem. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe everybody. Bye bye.